deep into renovation right now. But I've taken some time out, I'm away from site, I'm actually on the other side of the country and I'm managing it from afar, and man, we've had some headaches. So the tiler lost 2 of his staff members, so he is literally a week and a half behind. So instead of pushing everyone back, I've kind of had to flip him to the end as much as I can and slot other things in the middle so that I don't end up running 1.5 or 2 weeks late. We found 2 ton of concrete buried just below the surface along one of our fence lines. I mean, the list goes on. It rained for 4 days when we were meant to be painting outside. The backboards on the house were rotted, but no stress, because I've kept on top of my timelines, had a buffer in my budget, and I absolutely know if I keep managing this well, I'm gonna come in on time and on budget. But the reason I'm out here, I'm getting some space medicine from the project. Even when you're renovating, you don't have to run yourself down like you see on all the TV renovation shows. You don't have to become unwell, because when you do that, your final product will pay, your relationships will pay, your budget and your timelines will pay, because you'll become fatigued and unwell. So get outside, soak up some of this amazing space medicine, take a big deep breath and realize that this is all fun and part of the reno journey. Hey team, just popping some tools and some cleaning stuff in the back of the ute because I'm heading over to the site. Even though I'm hands off renovating this, I'm back in town and I want to go check out how it's going, and a great way to do that is to keep on top of your site clean. So keeping on top of your site clean means that you can be at the site and across things intermittently to make sure everything's running to plan. Also a great way to QA work before you pay your trades invoices. Make sure it's done, and make sure it's done exactly the way you guys agreed on. Now, it's not just about keeping on top of the cleaning on the site though. During your renovation, you have to keep on top of your budget. So for example, on this one, I've absolutely overspent on external cladding. When we went to clean down the back wall of the house to have it painted, once we gave it a bit of a rough up, it literally fell off. The putty and the muck that was in there and the mud and the years of paint that they've been patching up these rotting boards with fell to pieces. So I've actually had to completely reclad one of the rear walls of the house, so I've totally overspent on it. But I have a plan. I found a way that I'm hopefully going to be able to skim in some money off my painting, skim in some money off my tiling, and then I'll hopefully come out even at the end. Okay, so all of the big stuff is done. I'm humdinging along. Kitchen is in, bathroom is fully tiled, shower screen is ordered, big stuff is done. Outside's painted, inside's painted, flooring's down. I'm smashing along. I'm really excited. But this is sometimes a point that you can go, oh my gosh, I'm nearly there, I'm only a week away, and there's so many little things to do. Everything from making sure that the silicon's done well in the bathroom, and that the silicone between the splashback and the bench top's done well, making sure that everything in the bathroom is fitted off properly, getting the paint off the windows, doing a cleanup. Oh, and you know what? It can feel sometimes like that list is so long. And some people I find put their head in the sand and they go, yeah, we've done the big stuff, we're totally ready to go, we'll be ready for market, or we'll be ready to move in, or we'll be ready for valuation in just a week. So what I actually do at this point is I get quite hard nut with my lists, to be honest. So instead of having big projects inside my list, I have a day-by-day list of what I want to knock off or what I want my team to achieve each and every single day. And the lists are quite long, but they're all tiny jobs that need to be done. So for example, tomorrow on my list, I have that all the silicone needs to be checked and cleaned if needed, that all the grout needs to be off the tiles, that I need to make sure that I've marked out for my plumber to do the fit off, that I need to get all the paint off the windows, that I want all the skips removed off site. A lot of these I'm obviously not doing because I'm actually not on site tomorrow, but I need to make sure I stay organized so that my team can. And there's one thing that so many people forget from their renovation timeline and their renovation to-do list, and that is clean. I know it sounds really obvious, But the amount of people that think a renovation clean is a bit like a normal clean and get sorely disappointed when they spend a whole world of time on that cleanup. Obviously, you can keep on top of your clean as you go. Set it, actually, there's a great idea, set it in your task calendar inside your app as a weekly, or even when you're really busy on site, as a bi-daily or every 3 days, depending what you're at, job, so you can stay on top of that cleaning. But at the end, without doubt, you need to have scheduled into your timelines that you're going to be doing a huge clean. So once everything is finished off, start from the top with your clean, literally, start from the top, start from the ceilings, work your way down, and you have a sparkling place in no time. So I'm nearly there. I'm so close to the end, I can nearly smell it, and I can't wait to reveal the finished product for you guys.
Thanks for watching. Did you know we run workshops for all things DIY and renovation? I've popped the link below with our schedule for the rest of the year. Hope to see you there sometime soon.